Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly change your domain over at Squarespace from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Squarespace account as an administrator. So the place that you want to be at is this page right here and not the site builder, this one. But either way, it doesn't really matter, as you can pretty much access the domains page or domain configuration on either site. But this one is the easiest way to do it. So from here on the main dashboard, you'll be met with two settings for your website manager as well as your domains tab. So what we're looking to do here is click on the domains tab. So when you guys click on this, you'll see that there's an option to actually change your domain. So to do it, you want to click on transfer domain, or normally under your registered domains here, you'd have the option to change your domain along with the relevant information pertaining to the domain that you want to change to, like the domain name, the name servers, the port, and so on and so forth. So if I were to click on transfer domain, this will redirect you to a new page right here where you would need to basically follow the on-screen instructions and input the page or domain that you want to transfer. So in this case, let's do this. Or we could do get a new domain if you want to start from scratch. And when you guys go to make the transfer, you basically just want to let Workspace work its not Workspace, Squarespace work their magic into making the transfer. So this will transfer all of the relevant data pertaining to your online store or your e-commerce store or business model, whatever it may be. And I should mention that it normally takes up to 2 weeks and change to make the transfer. I mean, if you read here, before you get started, check your current registrar, so your current hosting platform, and prepare your domain for the transfer. Domains can take up to 15 days to completely transfer, depending on how heavy the site is. Now, you would basically just want to follow the on-screen instructions here, enter your authorization code, and wait for that window of time, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.